Navratri festival has already started, and devotees celebrate this festival with lot of joy and enthusiasm. The auspicious festival starts from 17th October and will be celebrated for 9 days and nights. Devotees worship Goddess Durga and all her 9 forms for the 9 days to seek divine blessings. The Hindu Holi festival is mostly celebrated in the month of Ashwin according to the lunar calendar. The festival overlaps with the 9 days Navratri celebrations and ends on Dashera, also known as Vijay Dashmi. But there is a precise series of events that lead to the celebrations of Durga Puja. Navratri festival is celebrated by worshipping Goddess Durga and her 9 different avatars. Here are the details of the 9 manifestations of Goddess Durga.
The day Navratri begins is marked by ritual Ghatasthapana, which is performed to invoke the energy of the goddess Durga. The goddess is worshipped on this day as Shailaputri, is an incarnation of goddess Parvati. Thank you.
Dvitiya, the goddess is worshipped as Brahmacharini, who is the unmarried form of goddess Parvati. She enlightens us in the magnificent embodiment of Durga with great powers and divine grace.
Hello friends, my name is Rohini Khatri. I am in 3rd A. Today I will tell you about 3rd day of Navratri. The 3rd face of goddess Durga is Chandraghanta, who is worshipped on 3rd day of Navratri for peace, tranquility and prosperity in life. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Reva Amit Saman from Standard 3rd B. Today I am going to tell you about the 4th form of Goddess Durga. Chaturthi. Kushmanda is the 4th form of the Mother Goddess and is worshipped on 4th day of Navratri. Mother Durga is considered the creator of the universe. Thank you.
Panchami, the 5th aspect of the Mother Durga is known as Sunda Mata. The mother of Sunda is or Lord Kartikeya, who was chosen by God as their commander-in-chief in a war against the demons. She is worshipped on the 5th day of Navratri. She is accompanied by Lord Sunda in his infant form.
Hello everyone, my name is Shreya Rajput from Standard 3rd A. Today I am going to tell you about the 6th form of Goddess Durga. Sashti, also known as Katyayani, who is worshipped on the 6th day of Navratri. The demon Mahishasura is destroyed by Katyayani. This form of her was the most violent form. In this form, she is also known as warrior goddess. Thank you.
And my name is Isha Gaurav Chavan from 3rd B. Today I am going to tell you about 7th form of Goddess Durga. Saptami is the 7th form of Mother Durga and is worshipped on the 7th day of Navratri. In this form, she has a dark complexion, dishevelled hair, and fearlessness posture. A necklace flashing lightning adorns her neck. Thank you.
Mahagauri is worshipped on the 8th day of Navratri. Her power is unfailing and instantly fruitful. As a result of her worship, all sense of past, present and future get washed away and devotees get purified and future. Mahagauri is intelligent, peaceful and calm. Thank you.
Siddhitri is the ninth form of goddess. She is worshipped on the ninth day of Navratri. Siddhitri has supernatural healing powers. She has 4 arms and she is always in a blissful, happy, enchanting pose. She rides on the lion, has her vehicle, Dasera, the